is
turn,
turn.
Come on.
Oh, no.
Backwards.
Not again.
You weren't paying attention. I thought you were turning. You gotta get left. I hit him like that.
I hated how it turns.
You know, turn left.
Hey everybody, it's Kitten with Wolf here.
Yes.
We keep losing our footing. Wait, where are we going now? Shouldn't we be going that way?
I don't know, you're the one turning this thing.
Here, you can turn that thing. We are in South Carolina currently. We keep losing our footing. Oh yeah, backwards. And right now we are doing the paddle boat, which this doesn't turn very well.
To say the least. It doesn't.
Alright, right. Because I want to go that way. I think it's gotten a little warmer.
Okay.
So we are currently in South Carolina, and I know you can't see my face because of the sun.
You might not want to set it down. There's a chance it might get wet.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm trying to take off my jacket. Wait, that may not be a good idea, so never mind. I'll just leave it unzipped. So I know you can't really see my face. Well, okay, now you can see my face. Because sort of. Because the sun isn't in the way. Sort of. Stupid glare. Did you lose your footing again?
Nope.
What do you see?
I heard something over here. There's something over here.
Keep paddling.
Why?
Just quietly.
Oh wait.
Turn!
Why though?
Because I don't want to run into the tree.
I thought I heard something over there.
Who knows what it is? But if it's an alligator, we are just going back.
No, we're going straight towards it.
No, we are not going towards an alligator.
Why not?
Because alligators can be dangerous. So yeah, we're just enjoying a lovely boat ride.
Okay, right or left?
Let's go right. Because I think you know how to steer that better than me. After I nearly rammed into a couple trees.
Okay, this thing is still very unreliable even though I know how to steer it.
And here we go. Oh no.
You won't hit it too much.
Yeah, I will. Hey!
Well, we're definitely gonna hit this
Oh
one.
God. Well, here's what we're gonna be running into. Or paddling into. Oh God.
Oh, you're just the creek. Okay, now left.
Let's.
We still have time.
How much time?
Like 20 minutes. It's not been very long. 17 minutes left.
Yeah.
You might want to go forward.
Backwards? Backwards?
Dead end, it looks like. Okay, so I guess we're going back to the left area.